Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can recreate Cinderella's iconic look in Dress to Impress. So here, I'll show you how you can create this iconic ball gown look, complete with elegance, sparkle, and that classic fairy tale glow. If you want to know how to create this one, let me show you the steps on this video. First, let's start with the hair. So for the hair, I'm going to use this bangs and color it blonde like this. Then I'm going to combine it with this updo hair, this one. Make the color the same. So once you're done with the hair, you can start making the gown. Here I'm going to use this dress from the the code items, this one in here. And for the color here, I'm going to use this one. This is the hex code. Okay, again, you can also change the material into silk or light silk like this. And then I'm going to combine it with this strawberry dress from currency item to go it into skirt only. Use the same color. And then here I'm going to use this top from the witch set and also make it the same texture and color. It will go like this. Okay, now let's finish with the rest of the outfit. So first I'm going to head here, and for the shoe I'm going to just grab this heels and choose the white color and toggle it into no ribbon. And then I'm going to grab this gloves, toggle it into no fur, and for the color I'm going to use this light blue color. This is the hex code. And I'm going to also put on this puff on the shoulder with the same color. I actually forgot to wear this one items from the currency item. Let's go back here and put on this skirt. Make it the same color and texture. So now let's just add some accessory. Here I'm going to grab this bandana and toggle it into type 2. Use the same blue color. And for the necklace, I'm going to just wear this one in here and change the color into blue and adjust the blue color like this, and then I'm going to put on these earrings. So this is the final look for Cinderella. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also click on thanks. Bye.